Freshman engineering students at UCI have exciting opportunities to design and build rovers, smartwatches, medical detectors, and more. I'm Lily Wu, Associate Professor of Teaching at UCI. 13 years ago, we launched this Introduction to Engineering class, and it's becoming very popular among students.
Today, the students are racing their autonomous rovers that they design and build.
Hello everybody, I'm Michaela Willis and this is my team HasBot 2.0. We're here to show you this rover that we made in Engineering 7B. I just wanted to say how great an experience this class has been, being able to work on a group project, come up with an idea and get it working. And I'm just so excited to show it to you guys and being able to race it.
My team and I research engineering education. Freshmen who take this hands-on engineering class are more likely to stay in engineering and get better grades moving forward, especially female students.
Hi, my name is Kristen Rohr. I'm the director for this program, and our team loves to see that once students get their hands on building something, they're hooked on engineering.
When I first came to UCI as an undergrad, I wish I had a hands-on engineering class like this, where I can work closely with other engineering students. I launched this experiential learning class years later after getting my master's and PhD at UCI. I hope this class helps first-year engineering students to learn to find solutions when there are challenges. And our students always come up with new and creative designs which shows there are endless possibilities for their futures.